Chris from Kitex here. I just want to show you two ways how you can store your lines on the tower while you are transporting it. So I have the tower here with everything on it, and we have the tower lines here. These are wound up in the figure 8. We have also shown you this previously, so they never come off here. But the guide lines, the lines you have here, there's two ways to store these. You can either wind them up like this on the tower itself. We have a sort of a notch up here. You can use the guide lines, the setup stick leg, or you can use the hook down here to sort of wind it up. So now I'm just winding them out to show you. So just take all the lines, all the guide lines here, and then you just basically go and find the hook, and then do figure 8s on here where the setup leg is. So that's the way to store them. Whoops. Like this for transport. That's one way you can do it. You can also have them bundled up with the straps themselves. This is another way. So basically, to unwind them, just take it out. And then we have the strap here with the carabiner on it as well. And if you want to store it, just take the whole belt, fold it up in halves, so you get like a bundle, and then, whoops, like this, and then wrap the string around it. A lot of times, you get a little bit more, wrapping in the line like this. But it takes up less space on the tower, if you think that's nice, and then you have everything included. So yes, that's one way to store the lines, or two ways. So yes, that's two ways to store the lines.